Walking down to the Betsie River where the salmon are running. All the fishermen. My son and I were here probably, 13 years ago now. I'll be there. How cool is this? Look at this. Is this awesome or what? Look at this beautiful, beautiful area here. Are you seeing the salmon jumping?
Yeah, oh
I
yeah.
love it. The Betsie River.
Oh no!
Oh my gosh.
No. I told you fish touched it. Oh no, he's gone. Oh,
Look it.
my God. That one had to go. No, that was
He almost made it. Oh, do you see that? Wow. Betsie River. Pure Michigan. When I was here with my son a long time ago, he was in high school, and this whole river was lined with men. And we got a bunch of fish. I don't know if you can see them out there. Fly fishing for salmon. Oh, there's a... Let me see if I can get you in there. See the guys out there? Oh, there's one jumping right there. Can you see it? Look at that beautiful dam. Pure Michigan.